Hi, this is Laura Lee, and we are at my latest listing in University Park. We're at 4212 Lovers Lane. Let's check it out. This is a fantastic home with a little over 3,300 square feet, spread over 3 floors in Highland Park ISD. Starting with this flex room that is currently staged as an office, but please feel free to make it your own. The first floor is all about living. Check out this formal dining area. Downstairs, we have a half bath, and it's right off of this fabulous kitchen with a gas cooktop, double ovens, microwave, and a wine cooler. How about this restaurant-style breakfast nook? We round out the first floor with this amazing living space, a gas fireplace, and built-ins. And second floor features 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, highlighted with this owner's suite, gas fireplace, and more than enough room for a king-size bed. And here is the ensuite, jetted tub, double vanities, and large walk-in shower. And the third floor is all about the 5th bedroom. Really fantastic vaulted ceilings with a full bath. Private courtyard with plenty of room for outdoor entertaining. Going live this week, open houses to follow. Call, text, or email.